Good morning, day 82 out here on the CDT. I am still in my tent. I got my coffee going. Looks like it's about done. But I am sitting in here because there's about 50 mosquitoes right outside my tent just waiting for me to come out so they can eat me. So gonna get as much stuff packed up in here as I can and pack up quick and hit the trail and get moving because you cannot stand around. But should be a tough day, climbing up to close to 12,000 feet. And then, yeah, just more cruising miles it looks like after that. So let's go. Made it to the top of my climb. Lost Ranger Peak is right there, and I camped way back there on this ridge line, 14 miles back. Crushing it today. I've been going up all morning, but it's been really nicely graded, very gradual climb. So gonna take a pack off break here for about 30 minutes, eat some lunch, see if I can't find a spot out of this wind. But the wind has been a blessing today. It's keeping the mosquitoes away and making it bearable. So I'm hoping to get at least 10 more miles in. I'm going downhill for the next 11 after this, so shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna do as many as I can today. But definitely feeling the weight of the pack, a little sore on the knees and all that, so I'm sure this downhill is gonna crush me. But yeah, gonna snack up here and we'll keep rolling. I just packed up real quick. This thing just started coming over the mountain. I'm gonna try to stay dry today, see if I can't outrun this thing. Whew, just made it to tree line just in time. It started hailing. It's a good sized hail right there. They kind of hurt. I found this group of pine trees. I'm gonna hang out in here for a little bit.
Ah, damn it. I got off on the trail somewhere. I took a wrong turn. I'm like a mile and a half off the trail. Okay, just saw lightning and I'm heading up, and that's not usually a good thing to do, but I have to make it to this next water source in a mile because this is all the water I got. So got to make it there and hopefully find a spot to camp with a little bit of coverage. Don't want to be too exposed here tonight. All right, I am in my tent, set up, working on getting dry. It's not actually raining that bad right now, but there was a couple moments where the lightning was a little closer than I'd like. But got a little spot here in the pine trees right along Lost Dog Creek. Ended up doing 26.5 miles. Really awesome day this morning. Colorado was really trying to show off. And then once I tried to finish my lunch and headed down, I was dodging thunderstorms all day and finally got hit here at the end, but could have been worse. Sucks I went the wrong way there for almost 3 extra miles today, so I could have gone even further. And then back where I put my rain pants on, I forgot my sunglasses, so I had to go back probably another 1/4 mile. So Colorado's trying to hang on to me, or maybe I don't want to leave, but gonna finish getting set up here, try to get dried out and try not to get too much mud here in my tent. But another good day. Last night here in Colorado. Wish it could have been a little better than this, but it is what it is. I got plenty of more nights out here, so gonna do my thing here, and we'll do it all again tomorrow.